and here I am today at 10X Era by Raymond Realty. In today's video, I will talk to you about the complete project overview, the location, the amenities, the carpet areas, booking process, much more, and also show you the sample flat. Let me first of all start with the project overview. The complete land parcel is of approximately 3.74, and here you are going to have high-rise towers of 42 floors. Now comes the location part. This project is located in Thane West, and this is right very close to Cadbury Junction, pretty near to Vivian Mall, and from here the Eastern Expressway is hardly 3 to 4 minutes. That means connectivity at its best. Now I'm talking to you about this, let me also tell you the various kind of carpet sizes that they have. Carpet areas, they have multiple, but the various configurations that they have are 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs. Along with this, they also have multiple amenities like a gymnasium, swimming pool, clubhouse. Oh, the clubhouse is of 26,500 square feet, which is by far one of the biggest in Thane West areas. Other than this, a plethora of amenity awaits you, but what awaits you more is the sample flat. Let's go and take a look at it. And while we are walking, also let me tell you that the payment plan is also amazing. You have to pay 20% now and the rest of it in January 2025. Let's proceed and take a look at the apartment. And here I am inside the apartment, which is of approximately 711 square feet. Come inside and let me show it to you. But wait, once again. Before that, let me tell you, before we enter the house, you get this wall so that your privacy is not hampered and nobody gets a direct view of your living and your dining. Come inside, let's take a look at this one. Now this over here is your living and dining space, which is of approximately 10 by 18 and a half square feet. And it comes with a balcony. Let's quickly take a look at the balcony. Now your balcony is going to be covered from 3 sides, comes with a toughened glass railing and anti-skid tiles as well. And right over here is your kitchen. Now this is the kitchen that comes with 2 opposite placed granite slabs, and it also comes with a window, and the granite slabs ends at a vegetable and utensil sink. And now we will come into the common areas. This is the common bathroom, which also has your utility area. So let's take a look at the common bathroom. This over here comes with anti-skid tiles, and also the utility area is right over here in the duct. Here is your first bedroom of the house, which is a 10 by 11 square feet, and it comes with this space over here for your wardrobe and a pretty big window to let in the perfect ventilation and lighting. This is also a standing balcony because this is a toughened glass and this one is a sliding window. And I'm sure now you are so excited to see the master bedroom. जल्दी से चल के master bedroom देखते हैं. इस aisle से होते हुए हम आ जाते हैं right into your master bedroom. Now the master bedroom also has this space for your wardrobe and also an attached toilet and wash right over here. Now the attached toilet and wash also comes with anti-skid tiles and the CP sanitary fittings and a window as well. अच्छा, विंडो की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो मास्टर बेडरूम की स्टैंडिंग बालकनी आपने देखी? ये आएगी आपके मास्टर बेडरूम की स्टैंडिंग बालकनी, जिसमें नीचे आ जाएगा टफन्ड ग्लास और यहाँ पे आ जाएगी स्लाइडिंग विंडोज आपके लिए. आई एम श्योर इतनी खूबसूरत प्रॉपर्टी देखने के बाद अब आप सोच रहे हैं कि इसकी बुकिंग कैसे की जाए. वेल स्टे विथ मी, आई एम जस्ट गोना टेल दैट टू यू. Now that you've seen the project, I'm sure you are very curious to know कि बुकिंग प्रोसेस के लिए exactly क्या करना है. वो बताने से पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड एग्जैक्टली क्या है. वेल, प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड इज अ प्रॉपटेक सर्विस जहां पे हम आपको सारे के सारे प्रॉपर्टीज का विजिट करवाते हैं ऑनलाइन, यानी कि वर्चुअली, और उसके बाद आप शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं आपकी फेवरेट प्रॉपर्टीज और उनके फिजिकल साइट विजिट्स पर जाते हैं सिर्फ. लेकिन इन फिजिकल साइट्स का एक और एडवांटेज ये है दैट वी प्रोवाइड यू विद अ फ्री पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप सर्विस, जिसमें हमारे सेल्स मैनेजर आपको कैब में लेकर जाएंगे आपकी शॉर्टलिस्टेड प्रॉपर्टीज पर, एंड देन you can see those properties and analyze which one did you like the most. Now that you have finalized which property you have liked the most, we connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you not just the bottom price but also a zero brokerage policy. So we do not charge any brokerage from you because this is your dream home. Now along with this, we also give you many spot payment options, booking offers and multiple discounts and also multiple vouchers if you book the property with us. Let me also tell you that we are not just present over here in Mumbai or Thane, but also we are present all across the country, in fact, all across the globe. So in India, we cover major cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, and many more. Along with that, our global presence includes multiple countries like USA, Canada, Singapore, Dubai, and many others. Now you want to know कि booking कैसे करनी है ना, मैं बता रही हूँ. नीचे caption में there is a link mentioned. All you need to do is very quickly click on that link and we will get in touch with you and help you buy your dream home that you have been waiting for a very long time. Very quickly do that so that we do not waste time in getting in touch with you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to keep watching such amazing property videos. This is Ekta Kapoor from Property Cloud. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.